Hi guys, so I wanted to share or show you something really quick. I got these papayas in green, early green, so I can enjoy them. Hopefully that the papaya fruit fly didn't lay eggs in them yet. And guess what happened? I guess some of them were already with eggs because look, these guys emerged. These are the papaya fruit fly. They are like kind of like a wasp looking. And look at them. I believe these are the males. And those are the females. If I'm not mistaken. You can see it. And look at how many emerge. Look at all the males. And there is more. So I'm at the lanai right now. And you can see them. And that's the poker they poking through the papaya. Look at that. They must came out from the papayas, I think. The female can produce 100 or even more eggs, and they depositing it in the papaya through their ovipositor that they have, that long poker that you can see. And the eggs basically can hatch in 12 days after the oviposition, and then the larval development in the fruit lasts about 15 to 16 days. So the main thing that they start with, it is the seed. That's what they start to eat, and then they come out. They kind of after the seeds, they start to eat the flesh of the papayas, and then they come through, and that's when they look like this. If you like the video, make sure to push a thumbs up and subscribe, and see you guys later.